premium design is a product by our professional engineer team. And you can see this color box and what we have in this box. This color box and the glass box is very strong, so you don't worry about it on your shipping. And we have the transparent glass. Yes.
The product.
Yes. And we also have the Type-C cable. And you can see it's
foldable
design.
To place.
And you also
place inside.
Yes, you also can adjust the agent, right?
Yeah. It's adjustable.
If you want, you can see the LED indicator here. This one and this one. This one is for this location. You can put it on your phone.
Okay, friends ask how are you? Thank you for watching my video.
Like this.
Then yes, fast charging now. Yes, charging now. You can see.
Yes. We also can try other
Xiaomi. This one. Charging now.
Yes. You also can put it on this one. When you're watching TV and make a video calls with your friends and watching TikTok, China's TikTok.
Yeah. You also like play TikTok?
Yes, we do like. And this one we also can charge the phone. This one we suppose you a custom logo here, this button and on this location. And we also do the other colors if you want. And this one is for iWatch.
iWatch charger.
Yes.
Yeah, you can install your original iWatch charger here.
Here.
Install it here.
Yes.
Can hide beside the wireless charger. The iWatch charger can hide beside the wireless charger. Okay, it also have a silicone for anti-slip. Yeah, silicone here. Also have silicone here. Yeah.
And we do have the QI FCC.
Yeah. See the certification?
Yes.
FCC.
This QI certificate. And we are the WPC member. If you have something new with product by our factory, if you want to do the QI, then we can do it for you.